I'm Kayla with WTI. I found the perfect dry erase markers. These are from Browill and they are the fine tip magnetic dry erase markers. Now this comes in a set of 8 and you can see the different colors here. We got pink, blue, greens, purples, orange, red, and then of course the handy dandy trusty black one. Now I love these dry erase markers and I'm kind of picky because I hate when dry erase markers are so thick that they're really hard to read. That's why I got these ones specifically, because they are a fine tip marker. So you can see here that the tip is much finer than your traditional dry erase marker. So it makes your writing clear, crisp, and concise and easily readable on any dry erase board. On each of the 8 markers, there is a magnet on the back. So if your dry erase board is magnetic, like mine is, then it's really convenient because you can hold your markers right on your board using the magnet. Another great thing about these is each one has an eraser on the cap, so you'll always have an eraser on hand, which is awesome. I love my dry erase markers from Browill, so if you need some, definitely check them out. But that's just my point of view.